Yo, what's up, guys? Day trading knockouts here. So today we're going to be covering about how, since the market has been, doing a little bit more of a counter trend type of movement, it's been more bullish these past 2 days. So you might be wondering exactly how to prepare. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to prepare so that we can handle this properly. And with that being said, guys, let's get into the video and let's discuss how to prepare for tomorrow. So as you can see here, I personally have mentioned in other videos I listen to Trade Brigade. And again, we've been doing more counter trend type of movements ever since that we had the very bearish activity from last week. And we haven't had any follow through at the lows, of course not, because, uh, markets, they don't just go in a straight line all the time. They go one direction, they chop back, they pull back, they chop around. They do a bunch of type of stuff, guys. So at the moment, it's looking more counter trend type of pullback setup on the higher time frame charts. And right here, Trade Brigade mentions that the 505.65 level is an area of importance. As you can see, why this is just an area of consolidation where there was a decent amount of price action. Where after we consolidated, bears stepped up. So this is just a good level to get involved in if we were to look for longs. And me personally, the reasons why I'm looking for it is what I just mentioned with Trade Brigade. Excuse me, guys, I'm a pig. Is is the two reasons I'm doing it is because one, it's above the positive weekly expected move, and two, it's the fact that again, this is just a good level to get in because this is where sellers decide to step up. If we and markets tend to work in structure, so if we get above this structure and get a 15-minute higher low above here, that would be a good scenario to look to go long. And in terms of where I would be looking, hold on, guys, sorry. Let's look at the notes real quick. But in terms of what else we get for the summer of this week, so bulls have been showing more signs of stepping up. As you can see here, counter trend. We have been in an oversold market, bearish market for at the lows here. As you can see, the price action is showing we're oversold, and sellers are ready to dump parts of their position, which is why we've been moving up these past weeks. So as of right now, the most important levels to be looking out for is this consolidation high right here, where I look to get involved at the highs of this day's market session. And another day is where I have it set up on the potential day time frame head and shoulders. This is the neckline right here. Let's go on the day time frame just to show you what it looks like. So right here, this right here, zoom in. So right here, I have this down as the neckline right here as a potential head and shoulders. If we get price action below here, especially in a 1 hour lower high, that can help to validate that we would be getting a daytime from head and shoulders pattern. So that's just something to take into consideration. And those are the two levels that I'm going to be looking for as most important, which is 506.07, the previous day's high, and the area where we had this consolidation, and the potential daytime from head and shoulders neckline at 502.20. And let's just go over the setups that I have for tomorrow. So first off, let's go over the setups to avoid. First off is I'm not going to be taking any trades between $506.07 to $502.20. Anything in between there is neutral in my opinion, and I won't be looking for setups there. I won't be chasing the markets. I'm going to make sure that I get a proper 15-minute higher time frame confirmation to look for pullbacks and discount price entries on the 5-minute chart as well. And I'm going to be very picky with my trades and don't just take things just because I want to. Again, be picky with your trades, guys. Have higher standards. And the setups I'm actually looking for, as mentioned here, I'm going to be looking for a 15-minute higher low above $506.07. And my targets would be $507.90. And then the optimal target would be $508.90, which is right below the head and shoulders day time frame potential right here. And in terms of the bear setups I'm going to be looking for, because again, just real quick, this is just an area of resistance. So I'm taking into consideration just getting a little bit below it, again, for potential to run past it, but just understanding that I want to get most of my contracts before hitting this resistance just in case. And below 502.20 is my bear setup, which is what I mentioned, the potential daytime from head and shoulder setup. And my targets would be $570.70, and then $499.70 are my optimal targets for what I'm going to be looking for. So, and obviously we're going to adjust depending on if we get a gap up or a gap down open. So that's how I'm going to be preparing for tomorrow. Just a little quick video for you guys. Hope it's been going good for you. Hopefully you weren't a FOMO seller at the lows on Monday, and you weren't trying to hold on Tuesday either if you're a swing trader. But besides that, guys, I'm always glad to do this. Happy to do this. I don't know how to be funny. How should I be funny, guys? How should I be funny at the end? I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna get better as we go, and I'm gonna get better as a trader too. Always happy to provide value. You guys stay safe and take care. Peace.